A line of credit is a flexible borrowing option where a lender provides you with a maximum borrowing limit. And you can borrow as much or as little as you need, up to that limit. Here's an explanation of how to use a line of credit. 1. Understanding the terms. Start by understanding the terms of your line of credit, including the interest rate, repayment terms, fees, and any other conditions. This will help you make informed decisions about borrowing. 2. Apply for a line of credit. You'll need to apply for a line of credit with a bank, credit union, or another financial institution. They'll evaluate your creditworthiness based on factors like your credit score, income, and existing debt. 3. Get approved. If approved, the lender will specify your credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow. This limit is determined based on your financial situation and credit history. 4. Accessing funds. Once you have a line of credit, you can access funds whenever you need them, up to your credit limit. This can be done through various methods such as writing checks, using a debit card linked to the line of credit, transferring funds online, or visiting a branch. 5. Using the funds. You can use the funds from your line of credit for various purposes, such as covering unexpected expenses, making purchases, paying bills, or managing cash flow for your business. 6. Repayment. As you borrow money from your line of credit, you'll need to repay it according to the terms set by the lender. This usually involves making regular payments, which may include interest and principal, depending on the type of line of credit you have. 7. Interest charges. Interest is charged on the amount of money you borrow from your line of credit. The interest rate can be fixed or variable, and it's important to understand how it's calculated to manage your borrowing costs effectively. 8. Manage your debt. It's essential to use your line of credit responsibly and avoid borrowing more than you can afford to repay. Be mindful of your spending and only borrow what you need. 9. Monitor your account. Keep track of your line of credit account regularly to monitor your borrowing activity, check your balance, and ensure that you're meeting your repayment obligations. 10. Review and adjust. Periodically review your line of credit terms and usage to make sure it still meets your needs. You may need to adjust your borrowing or repayment strategy based on changes in your financial situation. Remember, a line of credit can be a valuable financial tool when used wisely, but it's essential to understand the terms and manage it responsibly to avoid getting into financial trouble. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and share. And subscribe for more videos. Cheers.